Welcome back. As always, a good time here with AutoNation Toyota Irvine, and I am blessed to have both people here today, Steve Smith and Ephraim Barcello. Barcello. See, I got it right.
You did.
I must be Italian.
Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you for being with us today.
It's great to be back.
So what's going on today?
Today we just came in to say hello. We came in to just let everybody know that, hey, we're still out there. And also, thank you very much because we're seeing people come in all the time. We ran a little pit stop.
Okay.
And it appears that everybody wants to take advantage of that and come in and get their fluid levels checked and their air. And this isn't about anything but making sure that your car is safe for the road, for the journey you want to take. And wish everybody just a great summer and make sure that that car is ready and for the highway and ready to go.
I love it. I'm going to jump in.
Okay, yes, go ahead.
You want to know why? Because I think that's so important. Because we have Laguna Woods Wednesday and all these fun stuff that we set up for you. And so, yes, it's true. When you come in, we'll give you some special treatment, make you feel like family when you're in our house.
Right.
However, we just want to come back, Lisa, say hi to everybody, remind everyone this is just a place to come get help.
Right.
Don't come and buy anything from us.
Wow.
Just come and know that you'll connect with someone who will take good care of you. That is it.
Right.
And I think it's super important. We're a huge facility with, over 250 employees there. And our business is growing so much. And we love that a lot of people come visit us. And I love that they know they can come just get help, not to buy something, just because they need help. And isn't that more important than anything else? Right?
Absolutely.
Well, it is. And you guys have always been very gracious to folks, even if you don't have a Toyota, bring any car in to get help. I wanted you to run through what the pit stop means. Like, what are some of the things that you look for?
So basically when the car comes in, the customer comes in, we have a little crew that goes around and we check the fluid levels, we check the air in the tires. We make sure the wiper blades are, scraping like they should be, making sure the windshield's clean. So we just kind of go over the car. There is no service stations out there anymore, as we've talked in our prior shows. So it's one of those things where it's what we like to do for you to make sure that you are safe on the road. Air pressure is good. That's so critical, and just it's that quick. It's a 5-minute, 10-minute deal. We take your car. A lot of it we do right on the service drive in front of you if we have something to show you. And then if we have to take it around back to do a measurement on the tires or something like that and put air in it because we don't have the tank, then we'll take it around back. And then we bring it back to you. And you can just walk in the lounge, have a cup of coffee, you grab a snack, we'll bring it right up for you, and then you can then you're off on your way and you do your little journey.
And Lisa, a lot of people are taking advantage of it. We were super busy during 4th of July because it's the beginning of summer and it's neat. The good weather finally showed up. And so what's neat is that we find that in our invitations by saying this here, a lot of people are showing up.
Good.
And it just makes us happy.
I'm glad.
So we're just here to say thanks again.
Well, that's great. Now, let's talk about some of the. Now, you said that people are actually taking advantage of the pit stop, which is great, and people are actually visiting, which is wonderful.
Tons.
Are people asking you about some of the technology that's out there? Okay.
They are, and everyone needs a little help with that new phone or whatever it might be. And again, it's I'm real passionate about it. You could see that it's not about coming in so I could tell you something because we're not about that.
Right.
Inevitably, when we just take good care of you, you'll know where to get some help. But then also, if you need something, hey, we're busy. I mean, it's neat that a lot of customers are coming in for service. And oh my gosh, the new RAV, they are selling out every time the shipment comes in. I sell out of them.
Right.
Because it's that popular. It's a nice car, and it's that perfect size that people want.
I know. We keep talking about me getting in one, and we're going to do that one of these days, and I'll drive it, I'll test it out, and I'll give everybody an update. So I'm looking forward to that. Well, what else? Any exceptional letters come in?
We're receiving a lot of letters from our guests, just thanking us for the time that we take. Even the ones come in for just the pit stop, they just drop us a little 3x5 to say thank you very much for the time. So it's very, it's all about the safety, right? We don't have the service stations out there. I'll repeat that again. We just don't, and that's what we're there for. And you brought up a great point. A lot of people don't have Toyotas, or they have Toyotas plus other cars. We'll look at those cars as well. Absolutely.
We had a customer come in with a Jaguar the other day.
Oh, really?
I love it. Yes, you bet. And we saw it again, and we just, and it's fun because we know then that they're taking us up on our offer, and it was neat to just take care of them.
Well, and you're setting the bar,
That's
right?
right.
I mean, for all people, it's like, you know what, you're doing this, then maybe others would follow suit to help people more often. So
Yeah.
I think that's
well,
great.
we like that we're different.
Well, you are different, and you guys are very personal and very nice.
Good.
So I love that. Now, even though you don't want to talk about the specials, we still should reiterate some things that you guys do
Sure,
have.
we
and
do.
this is specific to Laguna Woods Village residents. So you go ahead and tell me about the specials that you do
So
have.
we're doing the buy 3, get 1 free.
Okay.
That is a Laguna Woods special, and that is offered to them forever, not just 1 month, 3 months out of the year.
Right.
We offer that. We also have come up with something else for them, is we're going to offer them a $79.99 alignment for that particular car when we do that.
Okay.
And that is going to be a good solid offer for them as well for the entire year.
Right.
And that's something they're not going to receive that anywhere.
Perfect.
So those are 2 great specials that any car that they have out there, whether it be a Toyota or not, bring that car in.
Great.
We'll be glad to look at it and give them the right price. And we are very competitive with Costco, America's Tire, Tucker Tire, all the local ones around here. We'll beat any price. And if you're buying 3 and you're getting 1 free,
I
that's
think I
a
need to bring
great
my
offer.
car over there. I need my
Great
car
offer.
over there. Good.
And what a big difference from a Toyota factory trained facility.
Exactly.
Absolutely.
Because that's what they don't have.
That's right.
Yeah.
We
That's
have
right.
36 technicians out there, and with all the years of knowledge that we have combined, we have some of our techs that have been in our store for over 23 years.
Wow. That's
Yeah,
great.
so incredible.
That's
We have
great.
11 MDTs, which are the highest in the league that Toyota offers. So
Okay, excellent. Well, I love it. Thank you so much for coming on, and good luck to you, and congratulations. It sounds
Thank you.
awesome.
Yeah.
All right.
It's working out.
All right, good. And if you want any more information about what we have talked to Ephraim and Steve about, you can call 585-6888, or you can go to their website, which is AutoNationToyotaIrvine.com. We'll be right back.